Last term, we were learning a lot about fractions. And did you know that fractions can also be written as decimals? So that's what we're going to be doing in today's lesson. We're going to be writing fractions as decimals. Or more particularly, we're going to be writing tenths as decimals. So remember, tenths are those fractions where denominator is out of 10. So for example, 4 out of 10 is 4 tenths, and that can be written as a decimal. So for today's precise mathematical vocabulary that you're going to need, that word decimal. So decimals are numbers that are less than 1. So if you have a look at the place value chart on this screen, you can see that H for hundreds, T for tens, and O for ones. Those are numbers that are 1 or bigger. And then after the 1, you've got a decimal point there, and here are the numbers that come after 1, and these are called decimal numbers. So that is decimals. Tenths, that you know, is a fraction out of 10. The word fractions, been learning a lot, numbers that are less than 1. So just like decimals, they are less than 1, and that's why fractions can also be written as decimals. We got the word there, denominator. So remember, that's the bottom number on a fraction. It's very important today because we're looking at fractions where denominator is always going to be out of 10. We've got 10 frame, which I'm going to use to demonstrate, and also a conversion table, which we're going to use to turn fractions into decimals. So I hope you enjoyed today's lesson and you learned a lot about decimals and how to turn tenths into decimals.